Well, it's Sunday Funday again, guys, and we went to the flea market this morning, and we got some good stuff today, man. A couple of our vendors, it's the last day there because it's Labor Day weekend, so why don't you talk about what you got there, sweetheart?
So we'll go over the more boring stuff first. I got 2 NES games from the same guy I bought that big lot from.
Get out of the light
He's
here.
got some Rampage and Bionic Commando, which is
Yeah, Rampage.
and then from a different guy, I got Ape Escape on the Loose for the PSP,
Yeah.
Crash for PlayStation 2, and Bust the Move DS. They're all complete.
Cool, with everything,
Yeah.
right? Okay, and then from the last guy.
So all the box stuff and the Atari came from last guy. He gave us really good price. We got the Atari 2600 Junior for $10. He says it works. Doesn't have the parts for it.
We'll have to figure that out.
I think it probably uses the same with it.
Yeah.
The thing we got a really good deal on was this Rampage for 64. It's box and part only, no manual. But he had it priced at $20 because this is one of his old price tags.
Circles.
Yeah, and he looked it up and he realized it was more expensive, but he was good and he honored his price. This is worth about $60.
Yeah.
And I also got this like a really nice $35.
We paid full sticker because we got such a good deal on that one.
Got a really nice Game Boy. This is complete, like fully complete. Like it has the manual and it even has the case around the Game Boy game. And then he just threw this in free because it was the last day. So complete in box, beautiful.
Yeah, so we got another couple of good ones. So that's a good haul for today. Didn't cost us too much. And yeah, hope you dig. We'll get some gameplay of it real quick here. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.